Moikka! Let's continue with the Christmas craftings, and today it is time to try some oil pastels by Paul Rubens. These oil pastels was sent to me from a company called Lightwish. They are the exclusive distributor of Paul Rubens art supplies. A lovely person from Lightwish called Karen sent these oil pastels to me already in November. But then I had this idea that I would like to save these for Christmas crafting week. Now I finally got to open this pretty oil pastel set, and I was so excited. This is not a sponsored video. These oil pastels were sent to me for testing only. There is a 10% discount code for you if you want to go and check out this set. There is more information in the description box below with the links. Now, let's try the colors and make some Christmas ornaments for journal and card making. And I will write down my thoughts as we go along. And I have to say that I have never used oil pastels before, so this will be exciting. And there will be no drawing in this video, only scratching. Let's see how that goes. Hope you will enjoy the video. The word that comes to mind is quality. And even though I am only a beginner with these oil pastels, I dare to say that this is a top-notch set. And then I wanted to make a little test. Would these stick to your fingers? No, nothing like that. They stay in place just fine. Next, I will cut the ornaments with scissors, and then I will add some markings with a gold marker pen. And then they are finished. Well, as a beginner, I would never have thought that painting with oil pastels would have been so enjoyable. I was a bit afraid. Thank you, lovely Lightwish, for sending me this wonderful set and for giving me this relaxing experience. So, if you have ever considered buying oil pastels, I really recommend these. I think this is a high quality set in an affordable price. But now I want to wish you Merry Christmas. There will be one Christmas crafting video during the holidays. Next time, let's continue with the mini art journaling series with part 5. And I will use some Christmas colors in it. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein ihanaa jouluviikkoa!